This is your Unit 3, Week 2, Part 2 of your test. And the comprehension skill we have been working on all week is plot. And plot is what happens in the beginning, middle, and end of the story. The read aloud for today's test, the title is The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, a mother duck sat on her nest, busily hatching her ducklings. One by one the eggs cracked open, and little ducklings stuck their heads out of the shells and said, "Quack, quack, quack." Soon all but the biggest egg had hatched. At last the big egg cracked open. "Cheep, cheep," said the youngster as he scrambled out of the egg. He was so big and so ugly that the mother duck looked and looked at him. "Oh, a turkey egg must have gotten into my nest by mistake," said the mother duck. "I will find out if he is a turkey." She led her ducklings into the water. They all began to swim, and the ugly duckling was the best swimmer of all. So the mother duck knew this ugly bird was not a turkey. After the swim, the mother duck took her new family to the barnyard. All the animals came to see the ducklings. When they saw the ugly duckling, they made fun of him and called him names. The ugly duckling was so miserable that he scrambled all over the fence and left the barnyard. He ran and ran until he came to a marsh. There he met some wild geese. Who said he could fly south with them? The ugly duckling was about to agree when some hunters came and the wild geese quickly flew away. The ugly duckling hurried over fields and meadows until he came to an house. He squeezed through a crack in the door and went in. An old woman lived there with her cat and her hen. "Well, you certainly are an ugly bird," the old woman said. "But if you lay eggs, you can stay." After a week, the ugly duckling had laid no eggs, so the old woman told the poor bird to leave. Winter was coming, and the ugly duckling tried to stay warm. One night, as he slept on a pond, the water froze all around him, and he was trapped in the ice. A farmer found and freed the bird. He took the ugly duckling home with him. The farmer's children began chasing the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling dashed out of the house, glad to be free again. During the long winter, the ugly duckling suffered. But when the sun began to shine warmly, he knew spring was on the way. He spread his wings and began to fly until at last he came to a lovely garden that had a flowing stream. He flew down to the stream and was resting on the water when he saw 3 beautiful white swans swimming nearby. The ugly duckling was so unhappy and lonely that he decided to take a chance. "I will swim near those royal birds. Perhaps they won't mind." So he swam towards the swans. When they saw him, they hurried towards him. "Please let me stay," he said, and he bowed his head. As he bowed his head, he looked down into the water and saw himself. "What is this? I am no longer an ugly gray bird. I am a beautiful swan." The other swans swam around him and stroked him with their beaks to greet him. The ugly duckling was filled with happiness. The bird that had been so mistreated because of his ugliness was now the most beautiful of all birds, a swan. The end. Take a moment to re-listen to the story and pay attention to what's happening in the beginning of the story, what's happening in the middle of the story, and what's happening at the end of the story. That will help you when you're completing your next slide.